This model kit review is of the 1/72nd scale Supermarine Spitfire, the Mk.V. It's by Airfix. We've got some very nice box art, and it's a starter set, so it has glue, paintbrush and paint, although those aren't the colors that come with it. Here's some details here about the plane as well as dimensions. I've got a picture of the finished model, at least the version of it. And here are the here's the paint and decal guide. Those are the colors that do come with it. So let's have a look inside and see what we've got. So first of all, here we've got our sprues and glue and paintbrush. So there's the brush, not bad. Needs a bit of water to bring that tip together there. Here's the glue, large tube of glue and paints. These are acrylic. Let's have a look at our sprues here. Over here we've got our fuselage with recessed panel lines, and there's our tail wheel on the inside. We've got a little bit of detail here on the inside of the cockpit. And there's the top of the engine with our exhausts molded in. Here's our radiator housing. A little bit of flashing here. That's easily fixed, not bad. For additional parts for under the wing, we've got our landing gear with wheel well covers. That's if you're going to have them up, they're much thinner. If you're going to have them down, you use these ones. There's the wheels, and there is the antenna. It'll go about here somewhere. Over here we've got a Spitfire shaped base. That this is the stand here, and you can put the Spitfire on if you want to have it flying. There's the seat. We do have a little pilot there with some detail on there, not bad. There's our three-bladed propeller with spinner attached. That's the back of it, and it'll go into there. And over here is the wing set. So here's the underside with cannons, the Hispano cannons, and looks like some machine guns as well. Nice detail here on the surface. There's our top of the wing with the bubbles over the cannons, and then our elevators. Little bits of detail here for the wing well, the wheel well. Here is the canopy. Unfortunately, it is molded together with the windshield. Let's have a look at our instructions and decals. So there are the decals, and not too many decals. It's a small little plane. And here are our instructions with again details about the plane. There's the parts listing and the icons and their meanings. We start with the fuselage going together there. So I'm going to build the propeller parts inside underneath the engine. There are wings going together, and then that's the sort of essence of the cockpit, is just that that seat that sits on top there. That's all then mounted onto the fuselage along with our elevator. Here are the underside for the wings, and then wheels up or wheels down. And putting the pilot in there, as well as the radio antenna, propeller going on, canopy going on, and then adding decals. That's how to mount it if you do want to mount it. So it looks like underneath, that's where that part's going to go there to have it flying. So all in all, that's a fun little model kit and a great one for beginners.